how to turn on your Facebook page followers button. Now, as a creator on Facebook, one of the easiest way to grow is to make sure that your Facebook profile account or business page account followers button are turned on. This will enable people to easily follow you either in your comment section or whenever they see your videos on the FYP. This enable them to easily follow you whenever they see your followers button. I've seen a lot of creators complaining and say, sir, my followers button is off, or I don't know if my followers button is on. I'm going to show you how to know if your followers button is on or not, and then how to turn it on, which will enable people to easily follow you either in the comment section or whenever they see your videos or whenever they visit your page. They get to see a follower button, which will enable them to click and then give you a follow. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen and then I'm going to show you both of them. Okay, I'm going to show you both on profile, as in how to turn on that of the professional mode account and then that of business page account. So now when you come to your menu like this, first of all, let's do that of professional mode account, which is profile. Okay, so first of all, we are in the profile. So go ahead and click on your profile, that which is Tunde Karen, for example, and you can see my own is just showing message. So my own does not have any follow button. And if you take a close look, my own is showing friend, so there's no follow button on this. So in order to confirm this, come to your settings and privacy, then go ahead and click on settings. Okay, now when you click on setting, come down, you're going to come down to where you see followers and public contents. Click on it. Okay, so now you can, if you take a close look, who can follow me? My own is showing friend, which is wrong. It's not supposed to show friend. You can see we are not supposed to be seeing friend here. We're supposed to be seeing both public and friend. So which is wrong. Okay, so which means this your professional mode account or profile is not active. So in order to do this, now they say let anyone follow you. So this is where the problem is coming from. So we need to solve it whereby everyone can follow us, as like they can see our follow button and then give us what? A follow. So, and in order to correct this, what we are going to do now is we are going to go back to the profile. Okay, come back to the profile. So when you come back to the profile, click on that three dots at your left hand side, and then you're going to see turn on pro mode. Turn on pro mode. So click on the turn on pro mode and then click on turn on. Okay, so when you click on turn on, click on next, or the next here, go ahead and click on all of them. Okay, then click on confirm. Okay, now when you click on confirm here, click on next again and then click on next again, then go ahead and skip. Okay, so now when you click on the skip, now you can choose to go to your professional dashboard, but we don't want to go to professional dashboard. So just come back now and then click on view as. Come to the profile and click on view as. After you have done all these things, now you will discover that now you now have a follow button. So which means if you're using professional mode accounts now, people will begin to see follow button instead of sending friend requests. They will begin to see follow button. So the next thing now we need to do now is let's check that of page. Okay, let's make sure that our page follow button is also turned on. And in order to do this, you switch to the page. Okay, so by default, page is supposed to have follow button by default. So when you come to that three line again, click on that three line and then click on view as. You're going to see view as. Look at view as in your own. So you can see by default my own have follow button, which means as a creator too on Facebook using business page, by default your own is supposed to have follow button. So if your own does not have follow button, come here and make sure that all the settings are okay. Click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Okay, so come to post, click on post and then make sure that your own is showing public like this. Who can see your future post? Make sure that it is showing public like this. Then go ahead and click on save if it's showing public. Then you're going to go out from here, go down. You're going to see what we call public and followers content. Click on it. So when you click on this public and followers content, the first one who can follow me should also be showing public. Do you see it now? All those settings must be showing public. Then both your professional mode account will be showing follow button and your business page account will be showing follow button. This enable you to grow fast, because if I cannot see your followers button, I will not be able to follow you, or people will not be able to follow you. Because why people will not be able to follow you is because even though they like your video or your video is very interesting, where are they going to follow you? So please make sure that everything like this is active and is turned on. I get to discover that there was a lady that told me that she's not getting followers. Only for me to go to her, she's using professional mode account. Only for me to go to her account, and then I discovered that she's using just profile and not professional mode account. So because she's using profile, her action button will be showing friend and not followers button. All right. So please, in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay. I actually create YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and then video editing tips. So which means my channel is just what? A go channel for you. All right. Thank you.